Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm back one more time today for another quick video. Now we heard some awesome news from Coolstar. He tweeted out earlier this morning that Electra supports iOS 11.4 Beta 1 through 11.4 Beta 3. Now, just a couple of minutes ago, he tweeted out saying that iOS 11.4 Beta 3 is still being signed, and he recommends everyone on iOS 11.4, the official build, 11.4.1, or iOS 12 beta users to downgrade to 11.4 Beta 3 to jailbreak their devices. So in today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to downgrade and install iOS 11.4 Beta 3 so you can jailbreak. Alright, so before we begin, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you are excited that you can still downgrade to a jailbreakable version of iOS, even if you are on iOS 11.4 or above. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay notified on breaking news such as this. And very lastly, all the download links will be available on Best Tech Info for you guys to easily get started with this process. Now, just as a warning, Coolstar has advised users on iOS 11.2 to 11.3.1 to stay where you are, as those firmwares will be much more stable than an iOS 11.4 beta. And he also tweeted out this, saying that only the iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 8, 8 Plus, and iPhone X users are in luck. Everyone else, the iOS 11.4 Beta 3's IPSW file is not being signed. So again, this is only for iPhone 7, 8, and X users. So in this video, I will just go ahead and take the plunge, updating my iPhone 10 from iOS 11.1.2 to iOS 11.4 Beta 3. Now, it's really up to you if you want to do that, updating from the older jailbreak to a beta, but in the end, this is how you do it. Alright, so to get started, go ahead and check out the link provided down in the description of this video, like I said, to get everything downloaded. Next, we are going to connect our iPhones or iPads or any device that you want to jailbreak to our computers via a standard Lightning connector. I am using my dock right here in this video. If you need to, you're going to trust the connection on both the iPhone and the computer, and just ensure your iDevice shows up in iTunes just like this. Next, we are going to disable Find My iPhone so we can do the restore within iTunes. So to do that, we're going to head to the Settings app, click on our iCloud username, then click iCloud, then navigate down to Find My iPhone, select that, and then we're going to deselect Find My iPhone and turn that service off. You're going to enter your passcode, and then we are good to go. Alright, so within iTunes again, you're just going to want to select your iPhone summary page where you can not only see the Check for Updates button, but the Restore iPhone button. Now, real quickly, before we begin with the restore process, as an option, you may want to create a backup of your data just in case something goes wrong. But if you want to proceed with the restore, all you have to do is, if you're on a Mac, you're going to hold down the Alt key. If you're on a Windows-based computer, you're going to hold down the Shift key, and while holding either of those keys down, you're going to left-click on the Restore iPhone button. Now, if you want to keep your data from iOS 11.4, 11.4.1, or an iOS 12 beta back to iOS 11.4 Beta 3, you're alternatively going to do the same process, but click the Check for Updates button. But like I've recommended in the past, if you're going to jailbreak your devices, you really want to be on the freshest version of iOS that you can. Thus, in this tutorial, I'm going to right-click the Restore button, again with the Alt or Shift key held down as well, depending on which computer you have. In any case, a dialog box will appear where you can navigate to the iOS 11.4 Beta 3 IPSW file. We're going to select that and click Open, and then we're going to click Restore. And now your iPhone is being restored back to iOS 11.4 Beta 3. Like I said earlier in this video, Coolstar has confirmed is still being signed as of recording this video. So guys, this is urgent that you get to this firmware as soon as possible, as we really don't know how much longer Apple will be signing it. Now, once jailbroken, there will be ways to ensure that this beta never expires, as well as to get rid of the annoying beta prompt that appears. I'll talk about this later in this video, but in this case, we're going to downgrade to it for now. And I will be right back once the restore process has completed. Again, I'm updating my iPhone 10 from iOS 11.1.2. Again, this process is not recommended if you're on iOS 11.2 to 11.3.1, being an official firmware from Apple. Again, any official firmware is going to be more stable than a beta firmware. Now, in my case, like I said, my iPhone was running iOS 11.1.2. It was jailbroken. It was working perfectly fine, but I really wanted to create this tutorial video for you guys, and I did not have an iPhone 7, an iPhone 8. The only thing I had was an iPhone 10. In any case, I'm really excited to check out this jailbreak on iOS 11.4 and let you guys know how it runs on the beta. I will be doing that coverage in a follow-up video to this one. This video is primarily just going to be the restore process. So again, I'll be right back once it has completed. Alright, so here we are, guys. Moment of truth. Has my iPhone been restored? Yes, it has. I cannot believe I'm on iOS 11.4 right now. So I'm just going to go through the initial setups. So once you get to the screen, again, for now, I would highly recommend just to set up your device as a new iPhone. Now I'm just going to continue through all these prompts. Again, I'm just going to set everything up later in settings. I cannot believe it. Here we are, guys. We are about to enter iOS 11.4 Beta 3, and we can actually jailbreak. And as you guys can see, this will come up immediately when you install a beta software, prompting you to update it. And don't worry, guys, this prompt can be removed because right now this will come up every time you turn on your device. But we are all set to jailbreak. I just wanted to show you guys again, if I go to General, About, I'm on iOS 11.4, and that is the Beta 3's build number. So again, guys, this is how to restore to iOS 11.4 Beta 3 if, say, you're on iOS 11.4, the official build, or iOS 11.4.1 that just came out today, or an iOS 12 beta like my iPhone is right here. Again, this will only work for the iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 8, and the iPhone 10 right here. Unfortunately, with guys like this, with my iPhone 6, I'm out of luck. The signing window has closed for this beta, and we really have no idea how long this is going to be open for. So again, if you guys want to jailbreak and you're on a newer firmware that cannot be jailbroken, this is a way to downgrade to a jailbreakable firmware. Again, like I said, I would not recommend to upgrade to this, if you're on iOS 11.2 to 11.3.1. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I may have a follow-up video coming when I jailbreak this device, and I'll let you guys know how it runs down in the comments section. Anyway, guys, give this video a huge thumbs up if you appreciated this tutorial process, and don't forget to subscribe for future jailbreak videos. Anyway, guys, until next time, this is Tony, signing out.